Have you ever felt like your business is hidden in the shadow of digital world? Hello dear fellow entrepreneurs, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are very well and are ready to take a ride to explore the world of digital marketing, because today I am going to talk about a business game changer, that is Google Ads. In the upcoming 5 to 6 minutes, we will explore about what is Google Ads and how the whole system works. This video is totally for entrepreneurs, startup founders as well as for marketers, so that you can know about Google Ads and understand whether your time and money that you invested is really working for you or not. So let's start. The first thing first, what actually is Google Ads? Let us understand about it in their own definition. According to Google, Google Ads is Google's online advertising platform. Through Google Ads, you can create online ads and reach people exactly when they're interested in product or services you offer. Means we can promote our product or services on Google's platform, non-search websites, apps, and in-stream videos through Google Ads. In return, we get a gift of audience, or we can say a mass traffic on our website or videos or on our application. We can do a lot of other things through Google Ads. It provides features to select budget. In India, minimum we have to add 500 rupees to start ad campaigns. Secondly, we have the power to choose our audience to whom we want to show our ads. It may be male or it may be female. We can choose the specific age group and location. Means Google Ads provide facility to choose in which particular location we want to show our ads. We can also target audience based on their interest. Suppose a boy named Rahul who loves gaming and he usually spends a lot of time in searching games, equipment and also watch gaming related content. I am the seller of gaming equipments and now I choose this particular interest behavior targeting to show my ads to Rahul. Because of the gaming interest, my ads will only visible to this category peoples. Also, the ad is visible to Rahul. As Rahul is interested in gaming, it will be more easy for me to sell my products to Rahul and the others who are more related interested like Rahul. Google Ads provides a lot of features like this. If you really want to reach the right audience, then Google Ads is the best way to promote your products and services. This platform operates on pay-per-click model, which means we have to pay each time someone clicks on our ads. Sounds simple, right? But there are few more things we need to know before creating effective ads campaign, like keyword research, ad copy, landing page, bidding strategy, ad extension and many more. To make it all easy for you, let me introduce you Apex Wolf Marketing, your one and only digital partner to solve your all these problems and make it easy for you to grow online. Apex Wolf Marketing provide a variety of services, so your business always keep growing, from Google Ads, Facebook Ads Management, website development, graphic designing, email marketing, SEO. These all services are provided by top-notch team who will continue to help your business to grow regularly. Just go www.apexwolf.in and book a consultation call today. Let's back to the video. Now the question arises, how the Google Ads work? The working principle of Google Ads is little complex, but let me explain it in very simple words. In the process of advertising, there are two persons involved. First, an advertiser and second is a publisher. Let's assume X is the restaurant owner and he wants to run his ads. In this case, he will be the advertiser. And second, Z is the food blogger who have a mass audience of foodies on his YouTube channel. Now X will take help of Google Ads and target the category of foodies who always wondered and love to eat. The target selected by X is very similar to the audience of Z. As YouTube is also the part of Google Ads, so the Google ad show the X ads in the beginning of Z's video, who is the food blogger, and matches the right target selected by X during the making of ad campaign. Here a little question arises that how the publisher, means food blogger Z, will earn as Google Ads uses his audience. See, Google Ads is made for advertiser and Google AdSense is made for publisher. Means the ads will appear to Z's video if he will be the part of Google AdSense. As Z is the Google AdSense partner, then whatever times the ads appear on Z's video, Google and YouTube will cut some percentage of budget that X, the restaurant owner, gives to Google Ads, and after deducting the percentage, the left amount will credit to Z. That's the way the publishers earn money. This is all about Google Ads. There are many things remaining in Google Ads We will explore it in details later in the upcoming videos. If you have any question or need any classification, drop a comment below. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. This motivates us to make more content. Do not forget to check out the epic full marketing to enhance your online presence. See you in the next video. Till then, keep hustling, keep innovating, and bye.